Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this eyeshadow makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm using the new Colourpop Star Wars The Child eyeshadow palette. So if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. Hey guys, so this is the palette right here. It is The Child by Colourpop. Isn't it so cute? I needed to have this. I'm like, who is going to pass up on this? It is so cute. This is the actual palette, and these are the colors. I hope you guys can see them and it's not too bright. But these palettes are so amazing. I've used them before and they're great quality, so hopefully this one's the same. You do get 9 shades, and you do get 4 shades that are matte and 4 shimmer and 1 that's semi-matte. It has a little bit of shimmer, which is this one. I'm still going to put that on the crease, so I'm going to go towards the greens. That's what I'm going to work on today. It's going to be a green look. This does retail for $16 and 9 shades. Definitely get this online. It is back in stock, as you can see. It is a great gift for Christmas. Definitely check it out. And especially if you're a fan of the Star Wars show. I'm going to start with the shade Baby Face, which is the green one here in the middle. And I'm just going to use my Makeup Shack brush in T11. So I'm going to put a little bit on the brush, and that is the fallout that it gets. It just gets a little bit, as you can see. So I'm just going to tap it off and start applying it all over the crease. And I did prep my eyes with the P. Louise base in shade 2, which is this one here. I actually set it with my powder, the loose powder that I'm using today, which is the Beauty Bakerie powder. And I'm just going to start blending away. I'm gonna do a cut crease. I've been wanting to do one for so long. And I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. I've just been busy with my new job. I've been active on Instagram but not on YouTube. So if you miss me, definitely check me out on Instagram. I always post on my stories and just my everyday life if you want to keep up. But this is the color here, just the green one in the middle. It's really nice and so easy to blend. Look at that. If you want to step out of your comfort zone and using browns, this is a great palette to start with. And now I'm going to take the shade Little Frog, which is this one here, the one that has a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to take the Morphe M441 to pick that shade up. And this green is just a little bit more of a khaki green. As you can see, it's a little bit deeper. That's pretty. And I'm going to also apply it on the lid. So as you can see, I'm kind of tapping it. And you can't really see the shimmer. Once it's on the eye, you can't see it, which is nice. And then at the end, I kind of blend the lines. This shade has a little bit of fallout, as you can see. Hope it's focusing. The last shade that I'm gonna use is called Float Your Crib, which is this one in the middle. It's a dark green. And I'm just taking it with this Morphe brush. It's just a purple brush. It doesn't have a name. It's from a set. And I'm going to start applying it on this side here, the outer corner. And this shade does have the most fallout, as you can see. And I think it's because it's a dark shade. Usually those dark shades have the most fallout. But going to apply it and blend it with the other brush. This is why I decided to do my eyes first. Now I'm ready to cut the crease, and I'm just going to use the Alamar Cosmetics brush. It's just a small flat brush, and I'm just going to take the P. Louise base and start cutting the crease. I'm just going to actually see where I'm gonna cut it. I'm not going to do that trick anymore where you open your eye, because one time it didn't go like I wanted it to, so I'm just going to keep my eye open and just cut the crease. And the shimmer shade that I'm going to use is Sippin' Soup, which is this one here. I'm going to use that one first with my finger. Look how pretty that shade is. Wow. I hope the camera is picking it up. And with this one, I did not need any Fix Plus or anything. The shade is so nice. Look at that. I was going to apply Right Hand Mando, which is the top one here. I think I still am. I'm going to apply a little bit and make it a little bit brighter. See how pretty that is? And then that's when you go back to the dark shade, which is called Float Your Crib, the dark green. And you apply a little bit here to the outer corners. Then we're basically done with the look. As you can see, I'm just going to apply a little bit of Precious Cargo, the lightest one, up here. And I'm going to put that with my pinky. I'm going to put it in the inner corner. It's going to make it brighter. Look at that. So once my makeup is on, you guys can see the real deal, but I'm just going to start applying mascara, and today I'm using the new Morphe one. I picked it up the other day at the store, and I was looking at the wand, and it looks like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara a little bit, but this is my first time applying it. It looks nice. Hey guys, I'm back, and I already put on my lashes off camera, and I used the Oh Honey lashes in the style Misbehave. I just wanted to save some time and apply them off camera because it takes a while still. I'm going to do the lower lashes with you guys, and I'm going to use the shade Little Frog, and I'm just going to apply it with a flat brush. It's flat, but it's also fluffy. So I'm just going to apply that on the lower lashes, like so. It's just gonna give a little bit of definition. For the darker shade, I'm going to use a Morphe 158. It's just an angled brush, and I'm going to use the shade Float Your Crib, which is the dark green. And I'm just going to put that here in the outer corner, all the way to the middle. And then take the brush that I was using before and then blend it out. And now let's finish it off with the lips. And I'm going to use the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. And overline the heck out of my lips. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC lipstick in Bare Bling, which is my favorite lipstick ever. I already went through one tube. This is my second. It's just so good. So this is the look right here using the Colourpop The Child Star Wars palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know I did, and I really enjoyed the palette. It's really nice. I really do recommend it, especially if you guys are trying to step out of your comfort zone. Definitely check this palette out. I'm just going to apply a little bit of inner corner highlight. I forgot. But yeah, this palette is really nice. I loved all the shades. They performed really well, and they really performed well even though I set the eyeshadow primer. And usually when palettes are not as good and they don't have enough pigment, they don't do well on top of eyeshadow primers that are set already with powders. So this one really did perform well, and I loved all the shades. I can't wait to play around with this row right here. I can't wait to do like a brown goldy look with that. So yeah, this one's a great gift to give, especially if anyone is a Star Wars fan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eyeshadow makeup tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.